Welcome to our video on how to set up your first backyard beehive. In this guide, we will walk you through all the essential steps to get started with beekeeping in your own backyard. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, this video will provide you with the knowledge and confidence to start your own hive. The first step in setting up your backyard beehive is to choose the right location. Bees need a calm and sheltered area with access to sunlight and water. Look for a spot that is away from high human activity and potential disturbances. It's also important to consider local regulations and neighborly considerations when selecting your hive's location. Next, it's time to assemble your beehive. There are different types of beehives available, such as Langstroth, Top Bar, and War hives. Choose the one that suits your needs and preferences. Follow the manufacturer's instructions to assemble the hive components, including the bottom board, boxes, frames, and roof. Make sure everything fits securely and snugly together. After assembling your hive, it's time to obtain bees. You have a few options for acquiring bees: purchasing a Nenuk, nucleus colony, or a package of bees, or catching a swarm. Research local beekeepers or suppliers to find the best option for you. Once you have your bees, carefully introduce them to the hive following the recommended procedures. To ensure the well-being of your bees, it's important to provide them with food and water. Bees require a source of nectar and pollen for their survival. Planting a variety of flowers and plants in your backyard will not only provide food for the bees, but also enhance the overall ecosystem. Additionally, consider setting up a water source near the hive, like a shallow bird bath or water feeder. Once your beehive is set up, it's crucial to regularly monitor and maintain it. Check the hive for signs of a healthy brood, sufficient food storage, and any signs of pests or diseases. Conduct regular inspections, especially during the active beekeeping season. This will help you proactively address any issues and ensure the well-being of your colony. Congratulations! You have learned how to set up your first backyard beehive. With dedication and proper care, you can enjoy the benefits of beekeeping, such as fresh honey and a thriving garden. Remember to continue learning and seeking guidance from experienced beekeepers to enhance your beekeeping skills. Happy beekeeping!